Thank you, Tomas, for that visual feast. Now, it's our pleasure to welcome to the stage Ali, the founder of Oz City. Please give her a warm welcome.
Wow. Hello, everyone. So excited to be here today. Just last year, I was sitting in the first row at the Network State Conference, and I had this deep desire inside of me that I want to be on this stage sharing about the project I'm building. And here we are, just 1 year later, and standing in front of you sharing about Oz City. Truly incredible. I'm Ollie, founder of Oz City. It's a pop-up village at the frontier of AI and Web3. I'm a passionate community builder and also co-founder of Epic Web3. We have gathered together founders and innovators around the world, organizing conferences and hackathons, mainly in Ethereum ecosystem and beyond. We have hosted more than 40 offline events, bunch of online events. But here what I've noticed, that people at conferences feel overwhelmed, distracted by the noise, and in the end, isolated. And I always wanted to create something different, an environment where people grow through collaboration, where they feel inspired and supported to achieve their own goals. So I became fascinated about the concept of the network states. I went to the Edge City. I spent a couple of months at the Network State School in Malaysia, where I crafted Oz City concept. So what is Oz City? It's a purpose-driven pop-up village where around 70 founders come together to co-build, co-innovate, and run the frontier technology together. Think of it as a campus of the future. It's a part bootcamp, part accelerator, and part the co-living experience. We create a space where collaboration drives innovation. We help with the VC connections, educational content, mentorship, and the access to the global network. So this summer during ECC in Cannes, Oz City came to life, and we organized and gathered together founders who were exploring decentralized AI space building on nearest tech. In order to make a pop-up village model scalable, we defined the following metrics for ourselves. First of all, how many startups are incubated or launched? How many community-led events are organized? What is the sense of belonging? How many meaningful collaborations and deals are initiated? And how financially viable is the project for us as organizers? So for Oz City V1, we had 20 startups launched, and many of them continued their journey within near ecosystem. We had more than 25 community-led events organized by residents, like Unconference, TEL talks, and workshops. Some people found their co-founders, others raised funds straight after Oz City. And for us, this was a bootstrapped story, and we are making an effort to create a startup incubator model where we gain the access to venture capital, early access to pre-seed stage of projects. So what's next? We're bringing Oz City to Patagonia, Argentina before DevConnect, and this is a truly unique location, not only because of the stunning nature, but also because of the pop-up villages movement that is happening there, led by the Edge City, alongside other residencies like Ethereum Foundation, WorldCoin Protocol Labs, and others. So we're creating a hub for AI founders and builders who are operating in decentralized AI space, building AI agents on-chain, multi-agent systems, digital sovereignty, and self-sovereign identity tools. People who share that we have to preserve autonomy and self-determination in the world where there is a powerful AI. So there are many ways how you can contribute, and if it resonates with you, you want to be a part of it, please scan this QR code and send your application. We will be happy to see you in Patagonia, and we are actively looking for members, partners, and sponsors. Thank you so much.